Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Ledger Nano X to your laptop. First, take the USB-C cable provided with your device and plug one end into your Ledger Nano X and the other into an available USB port on your computer. Make sure your Ledger Live software is already installed and up to date. Then, unlock your Ledger Nano X by entering your personal PIN code directly on the device itself. Once your Ledger Nano X is physically connected and unlocked, proceed to open the Ledger Live application on your desktop or laptop. The software should automatically detect your device. If prompted, confirm the connection on your Ledger Nano X. This step ensures that Ledger Live can communicate securely with your hardware wallet, preparing it for managing your digital assets. After Ledger Live recognizes your device, it's crucial to verify its authenticity. The application will guide you through a quick check to ensure your Ledger Nano X is genuine. Also, always check for and install any available firmware updates to keep your device secure and functioning optimally. Finally, install the specific cryptocurrency applications you need for your assets. With your Ledger Nano X connected, verified, and updated, you can now manage your cryptocurrency accounts. Use Ledger Live to add new accounts for various digital assets. When sending or receiving funds, always confirm the transaction details directly on your Ledger device's screen. This critical step ensures that your private keys remain secure and your transactions are accurate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.